Stabirail is a Belgium-based company and specialized in coring and milling concrete. So far, we've completed about 40 kilometers of slab track throughout Belgium. This video offers you an insight into our working methods and an overview of our projects.
By the start of the renovation works at the central station of Antwerp, we found many problems to hold the rails in an exact fixed position before consolidate the rail pads with grouting concrete. The solution was a concrete slab who was part of the main concrete floor, level with a grinding machine, to enable us to hold the rail in a fixed position and anchor the rail pads with anchor bolts and epoxy glue into the main floor. In search of a company who helped us with this solution, we found Beverend to be our partner to develop such a grinding machine. The advantages of Stabirail are that we can make the railway construction on a stable concrete floor. The leveling of the railway construction is exact up to 2 millimeters.
We were very happy to use a slab track construction in the bore tunnels and in the cut and cover part, because we have to deal here with a direct current traffic power supply, and it gives a lot of stray currents in the concrete underneath. It seemed to be a very efficient system. A slab track is always better than a ballast bed in a bored tunnel with a segmental lining, because a ballast bed needs to be refurbished regularly with a track stabilizer, and it gives a lot of vibrations in the segmental lining but also in the surroundings, and that is not quite desirable under an airport in service such as Brussels Airport.
I was project manager of the tuc-rail project in Antwerp. We had to build a tunnel under the River Schelde and under the canal dock B1, B2. The tunnel was built largely with a bore tunnel, but also partly with cut and cover method. The tunnel was equipped with a slab track. We did the concrete works, and Beverend did the grinding, the milling and the anchorages. We knew Beverend from the projects Asdam as well as the Diablo project. Those were finalized within time and schedule, and we also were able to finalize the works within time and schedule.
We came with Stabirail Beverend because we needed a specialist in slab track heavy rail constructions, and that was for the project of tuc-rail, one of the major projects in Belgium, and for Switelski, one of the first big projects in Belgium to finish. We had to do several kilometers of new track outside of the tunnel, and we needed a very good specialist in the tunnel. And we have seen there a professional, flexible and an innovative partner, what we certainly shall take also in next steps in further projects in Europe. We are an Austrian company. We have a lot of tunnels and a lot of slab track construction, and we see more and more constructions on slab track, certainly by light rail projects, but also in areas where a lot of people live, you see tunnels. And Stabirail will be a partner for us in future projects.